What's going on, guys? My name is Ahmed Haya. In this tutorial series, I'm going to walk you through on how to upload students from an Excel file. To proceed with that, make sure the classes in the Excel file has been entered into the system. If you've not done that, come to academics, classes, and then you add all the classes in the Excel file. So after adding the classes, you proceed to all students, and then you click on import from Excel, and then there's a format you need to follow. So I'll download the format. So this is the format. You follow this format, the surname, you input all the records. So I have added 2 of the records, so the Mila Abiba and then the Mila Zain. So I've added 2 students in here. So after adding them, you proceed to click on choose file, and then you navigate to where the file has been saved. So I have 2 records in here, so I'll click on the demo students and I'll click on upload. So I should expect 2 students uploaded in, so you can see it's recorded successful. So if I should come to all students, I should see 2 records in the system. So this is how you can upload students from an Excel file. Thank you.